Ever feel like success is locked away and no matter how hard you try, you're stuck outside? Most people think you only have two options: wait in line like everyone else or be born into the VIP club. But what if I told you there's a third way? The secret is the third door, and this book by Alex Banayan shows you exactly how to use it. Imagine success is like a nightclub. There's the main entrance, where most people wait, hoping for their turn. The VIP door, reserved for the rich and well-connected. And then, the third door, where people hustle, get creative, and make their own way in. Alex Banayan didn't just write about this, As a broke college student, he wanted to learn from the world's most successful people. But guess what? No one answered his emails, no one gave him a chance. So he found a third way. He used crazy creative methods to land interviews with Bill Gates, Lady Gaga, Tim Ferriss, and even Steven Spielberg, all because he refused to wait in line. Forget the traditional path to success. It doesn't exist. The most successful people didn't wait for permission. They took risks, broke the rules, and created their own path. Rejection isn't the end, it's just redirection. Alex got rejected dozens of times before he got a yes from successful people, but he kept pushing. The secret to success? Ask. Be bold, be creative, and don't stop knocking until someone lets you in. Or better yet, find your own door. Did you know Steven Spielberg didn't wait for Hollywood to hire him? He snuck onto the Universal Studios lot, set up an office in an empty building, and started working like he belonged there. Eventually, execs noticed and gave him his big break. So, what's your third door? Are you waiting in line? Or are you finding a way in? Comment below with one bold move you'll take this week. Remember, the door won't open unless you knock, or better yet, find another way in. Want to hear the third door and other bestsellers for free? Your first audiobook is free. Experience best-selling thrillers, powerful self-development, and epic adventures. Start your free trial now. Want to supercharge your success? Get the world's greatest books for personal growth and wealth, all for just $4. How to win friends and influence people. Build lasting connections. The power of your subconscious mind. Unlock limitless potential. The richest man in Babylon. Master wealth-building principles. Think and grow rich. Achieve your dreams. This deal won't last forever. Order now for just $4. Hit the like button if this inspired you. Share it with someone who needs their third door moment. And don't forget to check the description for your free audiobook and $4 book bundle.